Welcome back, and you're in the kitchen with Lynn. Today I am going to share with you how to make cinnamon bakes. And if you're a lover of cinnamon or even sweet, then this is the recipe for you. Not only is it delicious, but it is very easy to make. Now let's get started. I have 2 cups of flour, and I'm going to add some salt here. I'm also adding some cinnamon powder, and you need to put much cinnamon powder in here so that you would get that flavor. I will leave all the measurements and ingredients in the description box below. Here I added some sugar and also some yeast. Now I'm going to incorporate the dry ingredients together. I'm adding some shortening and some essence. My hands are clean, guys, so I'm going to go in with my fingers and incorporate everything together. I'm also adding some warm water, and then I'm going to fold the mixture into a dough ball. To get a better kneading, guys, I did place the dough onto a lightly floured surface and make a ball, and now I've used a piece of plastic. I did wet the plastic so that I would have a nice moist dough. After leaving for 20 minutes, my dough is ready to roll out. Now I have a pan with some oil over medium heat, and I'm going to roll my dough now and cut it into desired pieces. You can also make some nice round bakes with this dough, or you can use a cookie cutter. It's your choice. Now I have my pan here over medium heat, and the oil is hot, so I'm going to start frying my dough. Let them fry on each side until they are brown and nice. Now that these sets are finished, I'm going to place them into a container with some paper towels so that I would be able to get most of the oil out. I'm adding the next batch of dough into the frying pan and fry them again, repeating the same process. Now they're all finished. And this is my cinnamon bakes, guys. Look at this. It's hot, but it's well cooked. It's tasty and nice. You can taste the cinnamon in here. And please feel free to comment. This is what my cinnamon bakes looks like, guys. This is so tasty. Here I have some cinnamon powder and some granulated sugar, and I'm gonna mix them well and coat my cinnamon bakes into this mixture. And this is my finished product, guys. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and press that notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload another video. Don't you forget to check the description box below, and thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn. I will see you in the next video.